Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful, brand new, incredibly high-tech Wonder of the Seas. Now this particular category is a large balcony. We'll take you out to the balcony and tour the room in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now, the Wonder of the Seas is incredible. We've got the full ship tour if you want to check that out. Now let's tour the room. Now, when you walk in the door, it is important to know that you're going to need to put a key card in here. It's a power saving device, but that's going to control all the electrical in the room. Right around the corner, we're going to have the bathroom. I do like that these are now magnetic instead of having a latch. As I step in, you've got beautiful decor in here, shelving up and down for storage, a plug for a razor, and then storage underneath as well. You've got the toilet tucked in the corner, and I'm going to step into the shower here really quick. It is a really nice large size. I'm 6'6", I'm a big guy, I fit just fine in here, can move around because of the bowed out shower door. You've got the adjustable shower wand, your clothesline. They also have your bath amenities here and a nook for your own. They're eliminating all single-use plastics wherever they can, so they'll replenish that as you'd like. To my left, you're going to find a floor-to-ceiling mirror that you can use to get ready before you head on out. In here, you have an entire closet of storage, so it's all hanging storage in there. You've got a nice couch here that does convert into a bed. In some cases, you'll have a trundle underneath, so you can sleep up to 4 passengers. You'll be able to see that on the interactive deck plans right on HarrTravel.com. Now in this drawer, you're going to have shelves on the side. You also have a bit more hanging storage and your safe, perfect size for a passport or a wallet. And then you're also going to have a couple drawers underneath for storage. You have your writing desk here that doubles as a vanity. You've got 3 US plugs, 2 European plugs, and 2 USB plugs. I always bring an extra European adapter and converter so I could take advantage of all of them, though you do have a ton of plugs already. You've got a backlit mirror here to use to get ready. You'll find your hairdryer just in here. You've got more storage, and then underneath, you're also gonna have your mini fridge. Every room on board has that. You've got a bit more storage on top here, and then you'll find your bed. So it's together in what's called the Royal King configuration right now. You've got plenty of room for storage underneath, and if you'd like, you can separate it apart into 2 twins. Just let your cabin steward know, or let your Harr Travel advisor know ahead of time. You've got nightstands on either side. Those would move to the middle if you have the bed separated. And I love that on these lamps, you have a USB charger and a US plug on either side. Directly across, you're gonna find a nice large flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship, order room service, or of course you can watch live television. You also have these great little hooks here, so you have a little bit of extra storage as well. Now we're out on your private balcony. Now this is a nice large size. They have standard balconies, those would come to about here, and then you have the large ones here. They're all gonna have these chairs. I love the idea that they do recline. So with that ottoman there, you can turn them into a lounger. And it's that perfect place to have a nice cup of coffee or tea in the morning, maybe a cocktail or glass of wine in the evening, or of course you could take advantage of the 24-hour room service menu. Well, what this is all about, it's about having that extra space outside. We're gonna sail away in just a few minutes. You'll have that beautiful, fresh ocean breeze and your own private space. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of our interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value, and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way.